Nhất Shwa sẽ hơi chính em đem cái chính nhập.
Hằng nghe lại phim ngay sẽ.
Bác có bài bên nghe. Nãy thì bro chính em nghĩ nạp xin nhau cái tay pop. Bác cầm bà bài chung
Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bat pinjasliang Umrupa Premium Meghalaya.
Sachin Nayak ubade unong peit permanjong ke All India Congress Committee haka ka khandai tuk rempang arjar punrio ulalik yu kejat ningkong South West Khasi Hills District nagbenta banyak kendu ikinong tulay jong ka Congress ban Thymmai kinong kitkam jong ka parti hapok ka jilam Meghalaya umjuru haman lagi district badahading kini unsara jaga kai pot Delhi. Sachin Nayak hagijeng kram ikilat patai kubor loong boni kendu kinong kitkam bagi nang kerjaan jong Congress nagbenta banyo Ïamir Jingmut markhamat nagbenta garani korbat ke mokrwar block kenang ban klan eka Congress Shwa bentung presiden Thymmai jong South West Khasi Hills District.
Di lembaga ni ka Sanggatan Srijan Abhiyan nakaliang jung ka parti Congress minta ka aban revive ko aban revamp ye ka parti. Di kebumut minta kalau ba nakaliang jung ka parti kalau pak ya berok ki observer rekat bat ki state observer nak beta ban don lang bat ban let manaki keleng manaki bania kendu ye kinu yalam jung ki blok kinu yalam jung ki mahila kinu yalam jung ki parent body ki NSUI meta ki sebedal bat minta ter nak beta Shwa bantung ya presiden jung ka district Namar bakani kembur lembakani kesamoy jung terikam jung nakalian ke distrik kembur lembak nakalian jung kembur menta kelapan kot. Di kembur menta kinsa sim ya kani nota kisalit kinsa observe nak menta berisi distrik nak menta ya kinu terai jung ke parti. Tang kinu terai jung ke parti. Jadi tahanin kata nakalian ke jung insa raksa Delhi nak menta bersobit ya ka observation nota dekat observation pada nakalian jung ke Aicc hi kartung ya presiden Joka district. Ban yarap nak kebetai ke parti Congress ha kebetai bat ke Jingmut nak kebetai ban revive ya ke parti Congress.
I am come here as an Aicc observer for this Sanggatan Sujan Abhiyan. Through this Abhiyan, we are going to elect new DCC president. I will submit my proposal to Aicc, and after my proposal, Aicc will take new decision, and in the entire state, the new DCC presidents are going to be appointed by this process. Not only this exercise for DCC president, but this exercise is for the entire restructuring of the Congress of that particular district. Block presidents, we are identifying new potential leaders of different sections of the society, might be youths, women's, from different categories of society, some scholars, and for that we are taking views of all Congress workers as well as those who believes in the idea of Indian constitutional politics, those who are like-minded, those who are not in Congress but they are indirectly supporting our ideas, our thoughts. We will also have conversation through the Sanggatan Sujan with all these people. So I am here for next 7 days. I am not just coming for one day and addressing and going back. So for next 7 days I am in this district. I will go block wise. I will go to blocks. I will meet there who are our block committee office bearers, our frontal office bearers, other just I have earlier told you. So we will meet all those people and we will take suggestions from them, and on their suggestion, through a very free and fair process, we are restructuring the Congress party, and that's why the Congress President Shri Mallikarjun Kharge ji, our Lok Sabha and our leader of opposition Shri Rahul Gandhi ji directed us to go stay there, take suggestions from the smallest worker also of the Congress, and on his suggestion we are going to create a new Congress. And earlier what happened, somebody told some leader influences the process, he recommends the name of any individual and he will appoint it as a district president. But now this will not going to happen. What the Congress worker suggests, that fellow is going to become a district head of the party, and we are making him more accountable. The system is now going to be created in a manner that the district president is the sole key person of that district to take the decisions of the Congress. Nobody sitting in Shillong or in Delhi will take the decisions of the district, but the district president and his committee who are staying here, they will take the decision for the betterment of the Congress, for the spreading of the idea, and idea of Congress means the idea of the Constitution. So that was the main purpose of this process.
Oh, for once I'm ready before her. Chale! Gorgeous. Let's go!
Coming. How much you honk, yeah?
Come on, we should leave.
Chill. It's just family.
Exactly. और घर वाले ही late.
By the way, how am I looking?
Very late.
Streamers, caps, candles, a cake, definitely balloons. सब आ गया. Wait a minute. Where is everyone? Show off.
Hey bro, how's it going?
एक बात बता, सबसे फास्ट होकर भी हमेशा लेट कैसे?
Style bro, style.
Hello guys, where's the birthday boy?
यहीं कहीं होगा, अपने फीचर्स को रील्स पे शो ऑफ करता हुआ.
इतना बिगाड़ा जो है, ऑटोमेटिक गियरबॉक्स, वेंटिलेटेड सीट्स, सनरूफ.
क्यों ना हो, फैमिली का सबसे यंगेस्ट भी तो है. Let's go guys, party time.